Port, how plus adjective. For examples, how beautiful, how nice, how cute. When you receive a compliment, of course we need to know how to respond it. Then, here are the examples of responding to the compliments. Thank you. Really? Thanks. Thank you for saying so. I'm glad you like it. It's very kind of you to say that. Do you really think so? Thanks a lot.